Hi, Hannah.
Hi, dear.
Sobrang lamig.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
Yeah, tell me.
Negative 28 right now. It's colder than your freezer. Our weather right now is colder than your freezer. I think your freezer is only minus 10, 13, something kind of like that. It is negative 28. Feels like 30 right now. But we're here outside. Hannah loves to play in the snow. She even eat it. Come on. Today is sunny, but still feels like minus 30 even if it's sunny. That's the weather. Only this week it's cold in our place, but next week's starting to get hotter. So it's maybe like minus 5, negative 5, negative 8. So for us, negative 5 is nothing. We're going. Huh? Let's go. Yeah. Go, you can go. Mawawala ka dyan. Oh. Ano, the snow is taller than you. Mawawala ka dyan. Sige ka, sige ka. Ano, mawawala ka dyan? Pag ikaw nawala dyan, ako. Huwag kang pumunta dyan. Summertime. Oh, sige ka. Summertime. Oh, help me, mom. Sige. It's summer? Angel, come on. Make an angel. Make a snow angel. It's negative 28. Yeah, it's negative 28 right now. Huh? Malaglag ka dyan. Halika na. Oh! Ano, halika na. Oh. Hindi na kita mahahabol dyan pag ikaw na ano ka dyan. You're eating the snow again. No. Don't eat the snow. Shh. Why are you eating the snow, huh? Why are you eating the snow? Huh? It's yummy? Stop eating snow. Stop eating the snow. Baka maubos mo yan. Today is sunny, but still feels like minus 30 even though it's sunny. That's the weather. Only this week is cold in our place, but next week's starting to get hotter, so it's maybe like -5, -5, -8. So for us, -5 is nothing. Look at Hannah's swing. Hannah's playground. This now is Hannah's playground full of snow. Uh-oh, Hannah. You can't find. Look for Hannah. Where is Hannah? 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 Hey. Oh, you're eating again! Come on! I'm so cold, Hannah. I'm freaking cold. Come on! Aren't you cold? Uh-oh, my hands is freezing.